Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back. Today we're going to be talking about Aromatherapy Pure Botanicals Moisture Repair Conditioner. If you guys would like some more information on Aromatherapy Pure Botanicals Moisture Repair Conditioner, please be sure to check my video description for some more information. So lately I've been trying to get into things that are more natural, hair and makeup products, skin products that don't have any additives, that don't have any parabens, sulfates, and stuff like that. So I came across this and I've been really happy with it. It's made my hair really soft and really nice. I've been using it now for about 2 weeks. I do get the magic sleep done to my hair. So if you guys don't know what that is, it's a process. It's better than the keratin. It's basically a hair straightener that you go get done professionally at a salon, and it lasts for about 6 months typically, depending on how curly your hair is. And they say the best thing for it is the Magic Sleek shampoo and conditioner, but I tried it and I wasn't really in love with the smell of it and the way it left my hair feeling. So my friend, who is a hairstylist, told me as long as you use something that doesn't have like the parabens and the sulfates in it, you should be fine. So I've been using this, and my Magic Sleek is as good as ever. Had it done 5 months ago, and it's been working really well. So this is enriched with argan oil, botanical extracts, and proteins. It's great to restore moisture and hydrate dry and damaged hair, which mine is because I use a lot of heat products. I'm trying to get better with it, especially since I got the Magic Sleep done, because you don't need to do as much work to your hair. But I'm someone that uses like the blow dryer and the straightener and the curling iron all the time, and that could be super damaging to your hair. And even if you're in the sun a lot, it could dry your hair out. So this is something that repairs moisture. So if you guys feel like your hair is maybe not as soft, it's a little brittle, or it's lacking that moisture, this is something you may want to try. So this is the 500 milliliter bottle, or 16.9 ounces. It is Australian made, and it is sulfate, paraben, and colorant free. So that's definitely what I said, like I said, what I was looking for. On the back here, it says Moisture Repair Conditioner. Pure Botanicals Moisture Repair Conditioner's creamy formula moisturizes and hydrates hair to renew softness and shine. It is enriched with argan oil and ginseng extract to seal in moisture and restore hair's health while protecting and preventing hair from further damage. Directions: after shampooing, apply a small amount of conditioner to the palm of your hand. Massage into hair from roots to ends, using a wide tooth comb, take conditioner through hair to the ends, which I do in the shower. I have like a little shower brush that hangs. It's attached to a suction cup, so I use that to brush it through. Leave conditioner in hair for 2 to 3 minutes if possible, and rinse thoroughly with warm water. Style as usual. Then we have all the ingredients listed here. Not tested on animals, which I appreciate. I try to buy products that don't test on animals, because I just feel like there's no reason that we should use animals to test anything on this day and age. No reason for it. And then the bottle is recyclable. So it does have a pump, and you could just push down on it and then it'll come out. It's like a white creamy consistency, and I really pay attention to the ends because that's where I get my split ends and stuff going on. And if you do need to pack it, like if you need to go away or anything like that, you can, all you have to do is just twist it to open it, and then the pump will start working. But then you could twist it to the right, and that will close it. So you could close it again if you're going on vacation or something and you're packing it in your suitcase and you don't feel like having it spill all over the place. Of course, it is very, very easy to close back up. So I appreciate that as well. I like the spout. That makes it nice and easy for the shower. It's not like a bottle where you have to turn it over when it starts getting low and wait for the conditioner or the shampoo to flow out. This just has the nice, easy pump. That's what I always look for in products, because it's just more convenient. And it has a very light scent. It's not scented at all. I think all the smell, the scent rather, is from the natural ingredients in the product. And it does leave you, it leaves your hair nice and smooth, soft, easy to manage, easy to style, and it gives mine a really nice shine. So I'm really happy with it, you guys. So this was my video for She Aromatherapy Pure Botanicals Moisture Repair Conditioner. I hope you guys liked the video. I hope you found it useful. If you did, please feel free to leave me a comment. Thanks, guys, and have a great day.